Hi, my name is Caruso. Today I'm going to talk to you about some marble and granite and engineered stone options for your outdoor kitchen areas. Natural stone comes in a variety of colours and thicknesses and sizes. We're going to go into the stone studio next door and look at some big examples. But just to show you an overview, some marbles, quartzite and some granite and the different colours that they can come in. We can't talk about materials without including marble. Here's a beautiful piece of arabescado from Italy. Very high value, beautiful piece, like an artwork. This is very durable, very strong. It can live outside, but unlike some of the other materials, oil may enter when you're cooking and the food splatters. You may see some wear and tear over the years done by the weather. So it will need a bit of TLC, but again, a very nice material to use outdoors. We just featured the marble. A piece like that can be several £1,000s. It's quite a luxury item. Here's an example of a granite from Zimbabwe. We've got a flamed and brushed finish on the surface. A lot more affordable, still expensive, but a lot more affordable than a one-off marble piece due to its availability. This is a really good practical solution for outdoor. It's not going to fade outside. It's not going to suffer with spills and stains. Some of the lighter coloured granites will behave like a marble, so they're quite absorbent. But something like a dark marble, steel grey, narrow Zimbabwe, really good practical solutions. Here we have an example of a natural quartzite from Brazil called Wakanda. Quartzites come in large slabs like granite, they're quarried out of a block. Quartzites have a movement similar to marble in many cases, so you get a pretty veining and pattern. But unlike marbles, they're quite resistant to acidic spills. The surface is incredibly hard, sometimes harder than steel, and they can be problematic for some stonemasons to cut without the right tooling. But they're really beautiful, pretty, durable, another winner to put outside.